Welcome back. As I promised, I'm going to give you all the tips for the test, for the final test. So in the final test, you will find 10 problems. Problem 1 is about a function, and I ask you at a given point, let's say x equal 5, what is the tangent line? What is the equation of the tangent line? This is a problem that we have done many times, and you can see on test 1 this problem. In the videos you can see also this problem. So problem 2 is a problem about giving a function, let's say y of x equal 4x4 plus 3 plus 2x squared plus whatever. Given the function, find the points with horizontal slopes. The point with horizontal slope are the points that the derivative is 0. The slope is 0. The slope is the derivative. So in this graph, there are 3 points with the horizontal slope. So what you do is you do the derivative of y respect to the x, you plug in equals 0, and you find the x for which the derivative of y respect to the x is 0. We have done this problem on test 2, and you can see a similar problem on test 2. Problem 3. Given the function, let's say a rectilinear line, let's say y equals 3x. Graph the derivative of the function. Well, the derivative of y equals 3x is 3, so the graph of the function will be 3. So on the test, so this is 3, and this is 3, forever. So on the test you will find problem 3 very similar. On problem 4 you will find a function that is a polynomial function normally, let's say 3q squared, so this is the q here, and this is the annual earning, 3q squared plus 10, okay. So it says find the slope, find the change in the annual earning per unit of the quantity, find the derivative of a respect to the q. So it asks you find the slope, only find the slope. This is problem 4, and you can see this on test 2. On test 2 there are a similar problem. Problem 5. If you invest, let's say, $1,000 at 8% for 5 years, how much money you will have if you compound the money that you invest, if you compound quarterly, if you compound monthly, if you compound daily, if you compound continuously. Well, this is a very similar problem on test 3. Test 3, and you can see on the videos percentage, on the video about percentage, I think, I don't remember. There is a video where it say how to calculate everything, but you have done the video also for calculating these things, because you have done the video for test 3. So you will not have any problem to use the equation of this problem. Problem 6 is about the elasticity of the demand, and is a similar problem as the test 3. On the test 3 we solve a problem for the elasticity. Remember that elasticity as a function of the price is P divided by Q by the derivative of Q respect to the P. Okay, so you apply this equation, this definition of elasticity. The elasticity, it say what is the percentage of the change in the quantity divided by the percentage in the change in the price. So if you change the price in 5% and the elasticity is 2, what is the change in the price in the quantity? So if the elasticity is 2 2 times the 5% will be the 10%. So the change in Q in percentage will be equal to the elasticity at this price multiplied by the percentage of the change in the price, 5%. So if you change the price in 5%, you change the quantity, you will lose to sell, you will not sell 10% of the amount of the quantity. Problem 7 is about the integral. So you find the integral of this function. Maybe the function is 9 minus x squared, like the function in test 3. And you find between 2 points, and you find the area. Find the area. How you find the area? You find the antiderivative of the function, capital F, and you evaluate between the endpoints, 6 minus f of 3. We have done this on test 3. Problem 10 is an optimization problem and is on lesson 16. So if you do the first 3 problems of lesson 16, you will find something very similar and you will be able to answer correctly the test, this problem. And problem 9 is sketch the graph of a function. If you go to the example of the PDF of lesson 15, you go to the example, not to the exercise. I think there are 2 examples. Review these examples and you will find in the test 1 example very, very, very similar. Review lesson 15. Examples, okay? Okay, so that's all. We have done this once and again, and you have done this once and again, so there is no reason why you will have to do it bad. You can do it very well on the test, and I'm looking forward to see you that you will do very, very well on the test. So I hope this idea will make you to focus on these kind of problems. I see you soon. Good luck. I'm here to help you at any time you need. You just send me a message on Canvas and I will connect to the Zoom. If you have any doubt, I'm here. Goodbye and good luck on the test. I'll see you soon. It was a pleasure to be with you during this course. An honor to be your teacher. Goodbye.